Have you been looking for a new construction home in the greater Greenville, Upstate, South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of one of the inventory homes right here at Kayfield at Midway subdivision by DRB Homes. This is the Sutherland Floor Plan that we're going to take a tour of. This home is available right now. If this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, Upstate, South Carolina area, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, Upstate, South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, Upstate, South Carolina area. And we get calls from people like you all the time. And so whether you're looking to move in the next 30 days or in the next 3 months, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move to the greater Greenville, Upstate, South Carolina area. Now let's check out the Sutherland Floor Plan by DRB Homes right here in Kayfield at Midway, right off of the Highway 81 area of Anderson, South Carolina. All right, so the neighborhood is, is still going. They're still building right here. There are a few people that live in the community already. So this particular one here is available for sale right now. And the list price on this home is $454,990. And it's just a little over 2,600 square feet. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. And right now the builder is offering some really awesome incentives, which I'll let you know that in a minute. But it's 2-car garage. And this neighborhood, there is no vinyl planks here, so it's all cement board siding. And you've got this nice columns here, makes it look really craftsman-like type home. And really nice size front porch right here. And like I said, no vinyl on these homes here, okay? As you come in here, to the left, you have the powder room. And you got a window in there. Luxury vinyl plank on the floors here throughout this main level. Lots of windows to let in natural light. Covered ceiling in the formal dining room. And that goes upstairs. We'll go up there in a moment. Hardwood stairs. And you got a closet right here for your coats. And family room. You got that stone going all the way to the top. Raised hearth. And gas log fireplace. In the kitchen here, you got a little bit of area here where you in the peninsula where you can put bar stools there. And the breakfast area would normally be right around this area, okay? Center island. Farmhouse sink there. They're still missing the dishwasher there, so they'll put that in. Stainless steel appliances. Gas range. Okay, and right here you got a small pantry space. Okay, let me show you outside real quickly while we're here. And good size covered patio with a ceiling fan out there. Got the laundry room. The washer and dryer are included, so they are already here in the house. 2-car garage, and you got the water heater right over there. And it's all nicely finished and painted in the garage. Okay, right here you have a linen closet. And this is the primary bedroom. There is a bedroom upstairs that also could be a second owner suite, but this is more like the owner suite because you got the luxury vinyl plank floors in here. Toilet, water closet, double sinks. You got the towel shower here, towel all the way to the ceiling. You got a bench as well. Another linen closet. And the walk-in closet, okay? So this would be your primary bedroom suite. Okay, like I said, there is another bedroom upstairs that has an ensuite bathroom as well. And we'll go check out the upstairs right now. All right, this is a nice 2-story great room here. All right, so hardwood stairs makes it so much easier to clean. And then you have carpet upstairs, okay? And second bedroom right here. Natural light coming in through those 2 windows. You got Jack and Jill bathroom, 1 sink on this side, toilet, tub, shower. The second sink on this side. You've got a little linen closet behind this door here. And in this bedroom, decent sized room, is where your attic access is. Walk-in closet there, and another attic access from this side as well. And then this is the bedroom that I was telling you about that also has an ensuite bathroom. So you've got a small walk-in closet here. There is another closet right over here. Bathroom, shower with the fiberglass. You got the sink right there with the nice double windows there, letting in some natural light. 2-inch blinds throughout. Okay, another closet. So you have 3 closets in here in this bedroom. Okay, so that's the Sutherland floor plan. Now, right now, DRB Homes is offering incentives up to $30,000 in flex cash, and you can use that to buy down your interest rate, pay your closing costs, reduce the price. Really great incentive right now. So it's obviously they want us to get these properties sold. So this one is available right now, this Sutherland. So if you like this one, you can definitely buy this one right now. Or if you like the floor plan and you want a different lot, you could build it and then pick the options that you want in the home. So, really great incentive that DRB Homes is offering right now. So if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, Upstate South Carolina area, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can scan that QR code or click the link below to schedule a time to chat with me. Have a fantastic day. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.